MVC. So MVC means model view controller. Model view controller. Model view, C for controller. View is, I mean, the interface. So let's say I want to know the student information from, I mean, let's say I have a button where if I click here, then actually I can see the student information. So that button is the view. So when I press the button, then button will actually take the help from the controller. Then controller will go for the model. Model will actually control all the server side work. I mean, all the database work. I mean, let's say I want to know the student information. So model will actually bring me those information, and then controller will actually make connection with the model and view. So let me give an example, real-time example. Let's say you are a customer and you want to eat something. So you are in a restaurant, so you want to order something. So you will call a waiter, right? So you think yourself as view, then think the waiter as controller. So you will request something, right? Let's say you want to eat or something else. So controller will go to the model. Let's say shape. So shape will cook the food, right? So in this case, you are a view, the waiter is a controller, and the shape work as a model, right? And they have all the ingredients in their store. So database is kind of a store, or I mean server, right? So model will actually take something from the server, then controller will take it and then provide it to the view. A shape will made food, and then a waiter will contain it, right? And then provide it to the customer. So the customer will give the order to the controller, right? So that's it. I hope you understand. Thank you so much for watching.